Hi friends, welcome to Shreya's cooking channel. Today's recipe is Appam. For this recipe, we need sona masoori rice, 1 cup, grated coconut, half cup, cooked rice, 1/4 cup, salt, baking soda, quarter teaspoon. First, rinse the rice 2 to 3 times and soak in water for 4 hours. I soaked the rice for 4 hours. Now let's add the grated coconut and cooked rice. Grind this to a smooth paste. Add water as needed while grinding. I grinded the rice. You can see the consistency. Let's add quarter teaspoon baking soda and salt. Mix well. Cover the batter and allow it to ferment for 9 to 10 hours. The batter has fermented for 10 hours. It's ready to make appam now. Heat the pan. Add batter and swirl it around. Cover the pan and cook till it's done. You can eat this with coconut milk, chicken curry, or vegetable kurma. Try this recipe and post your comments. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel.